We want to hide folders which contain confidential documents or personal data so that anyone who accesses your computer may not be able to find them or see them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide documents, how to hide folders on PC. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now, for example, if I want to hide this folder here, this folder ebook, I'll just click on it, then I'll right click on it, then you'll need to go to properties. Then once you are on your properties, you are going to click on hidden, then click on OK, then click on apply changes to this folder only. So if you select that, click on OK, then this folder is hidden. As you can see, I've already hidden it, but it is still someone can be able to see it. Now, in order to remove it from PC, you just need to launch your File Explorer, press on Windows button and letter E, then your File Explorer will be launched. Now you will need to go at the top here, click on View, then you are going to see Hidden Items, click on it. Then now if you go back to your desktop, you will not be able to see the folder here. So whenever you want to access your documents in the folder, you just need to launch your File Explorer again. Then you will go to View, then you will go to Hidden Items, then you will go back to your desktop. You will be able to see the folder here. Now in order to now view it clearly, you are going to right click on it, then you will go to properties, then you will click on hidden, then click on OK, then apply changes to this folder only, then OK. Now this folder will now be able to be seen. Now if you open the folder, it will lead you to your documents. So that's how you can simply hide folders or documents on PC. If you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and also to like the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.